To tell y'all, this shit is lit. What up, y'all? I just had to come. I'm trying on this new wig. What is this? Oops, wrong way. I finally got this Zury Sis Biz wig that I have been on YouTube, but has been sold out, and not so much now. This is a synthetic 13x4 lace front or whatever. And I'll have to say, for my small head sisters, this is small head friendly. I'm really excited. And I know I look crazy. I need to wash my face. But I'm trying it on, and this is a pretty good fit. So when I crisscross it some more, it's going to be an amazing fit. I'm probably going to take this comb out the back. I never like the comb in the back. And look how much parting space this is right here. The hairline is not... Ooh, excuse me, y'all. The hairline is not pre-plucked though, my sisters, but I'm about to hook that up. And it's like a light yaki, but it's like a light yaki with movement. So this joint right here is the truth. There is some baby hairs I see. Hairline's kind of like too uniform, but oh, I love it. I really like. Oh, because I like to have a lot of options. When it comes to my hair. That's why I like frontals so much. But as y'all know, I'm trying to give it a break. I also probably gonna put an elastic band on this joint too, as well. Oh my god! I just had to show this to y'all. Show y'all the hairline. Hopefully I don't mess it up because I'm about to get to work on it. But yeah, this joint is the business. This might be my go-to everything wig. My go-to everything wig. Okay, y'all. Hey, lovers and friends. I miss y'all. Look, I know all of y'all don't be loving these wig reviews, but look, a girl is obsessed. And so I'm going to continue them. Although right now I'm on a no buy, so I'm really trying to live out of my current collection, which is incredibly hard. I did sell a lot of wigs, so if you haven't already, check out my wig sale just in case you wanted to see anything that I may have had. I listed everything in my Mercari, and I had maybe a few things that I might post for sale, but to be honest, most of the inventory is gone. So I need to give y'all a shout out for thank you for supporting that wig sale and helping me get stuff out of my wig collection that I really wasn't wearing. I really wasn't. So I already told y'all about this. I was so excited about unbox this, and I have worn this wig. I don't want to say for a matter of weeks because I haven't worn it consistently. This is the Zury Sis Biz wig that I love. Now I won't tell you that the hairline ain't perfect, sisters. You know what I'm saying? Today I decided to put it on. I just want to show y'all some of the versatility. Do I have a comb? I sure do. Today I decided to put it on because I went into the office today, and this is like my good and trusty wig or whatever. But I probably wore it a total of maybe 8 times. I wore it definitely a few times during my first week of my new job, and then I wore it today, and then some other times in between that. And what I like about this is definitely like I just like frontals. Like I really do. The only time that I do like to wear my hair out is you know, when I have kinky curly clip-ins that match my hair texture, or I can make it match with my hair texture and I don't have to do a lot of manipulations like a twist or something like that, and it looks super natural. And even like I just made a U-part wig, and I was going to show you guys, but honestly I don't like it. I don't want to have to manipulate my real hair to achieve a textural look anymore. Like, I'm past that. But getting back into the Zury Sis wig, because I want to give y'all the true tea, and that this is like truly an amazing investment. Now, I've worn eight times, and I want y'all to see. This is the only thing that's happened. I wouldn't say this is a serious matte, you know what I'm saying, like on the back of your neck, because it comes out, and the hair for the most part has kept kind of its flow and texture. Today I used Got to Be Glued and spray to put it on. What I like about this is I didn't want to do, I'll go into another video, but I'm kind of like, I'm good on the whole stocking cap method and all of that. I just want to be able to take my wigs off and put them back on when I want to. So I was able to do this fairly quickly. Now let me just get into the specs. It is lifting on the sides or whatever, because it's about evening time. It's about time for this to come out. This is an amazing wig, y'all. An amazing wig. But I did manipulate the hairline, and I went through and I did all the plucking, and I thought it was cute and shit, and then I put it on, and it has a very round hairline. Very, very round hairline, so it makes it kind of difficult. Next time I won't even put in that much work up front, to be honest. I'm gonna put the wig on, and then I'm going to pull hair out and then go from there. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers do that, and it just saves time, because I like, when I went in and I like went in and really pre-plucked this joint, but this hairline was so circular, it's like I really didn't have an appreciation for it. So I made some baby hairs. I even plucked here a lot so that when I wanted to do a side part, I could. I love the body. It's a definitely nice texture. It is lasting because it's a human hair blend, so this should really last like a few months. I haven't washed or anything like that. I do want to clean kind of the hairline because I applied it. I wasn't using Got to Be Glued. I was using actually Gorilla Snot, because I didn't want such a hard, but Gorilla Snot be crusting up. It's kind of embarrassing. I did use Sally Heston to tint the thing, but these 13x4 human hair blend synthetics that are like $50, I'm living all for it, sis. And I'm gonna tell you why. Because you can just put them on and off. It's not a lot of work making a wig or anything like that. I have a small head. As I said, this is small head friendly. The texture is nice. The cut is nice. Like, you can make a wig, but like, I don't know how to be cutting it and making it all have all of this body and stuff. It does kink up in the back, but it brushes out pretty easily. And as y'all can see, I'm having all the versatility in the world with this. Middle parted. Let me give it all to y'all. Hold on. Let me give y'all the looks. Let me give y'all the looks. Middle part. Deep side part. Deep side part. Half up, half down. So I'm living for these. Now when I get off my notebook, I'm living for these so much. I want y'all to leave down in the comments below. Leave down in the comments below if y'all want me to continue to like show y'all more of these 13x4 synthetic frontals. I know there's some other YouTube, but like if y'all want me to show it for y'all, let me know, because I think I'm about to go in and invest. And by the way, I am just waiting until I get to 500 subscribers. I'm almost there. So like, comment, and share this video out. Get people to subscribe. And I have a giveaway coming for y'all wig wearing folks, my lovers and friends. Brand new spanking wig for y'all. Okay, we waiting for the 500, and then we're gonna have a bomb giveaway. And let me know below if there's anything else you want me to give away. Maybe bathing suits, yeah, bathing suits, or maybe some makeup that I've gotten or recommended. I'm ready to treat y'all good, because y'all been treating me good. Okay, all right, so I love y'all, and let me know what y'all think about this. By the way, I had posted me a lit pic on the gram, but y'all don't follow me though, so y'all missed it from a couple weeks ago. of this body, honey. Definitely, like, definitely will get this again. And it's just, oh, I don't even want to say no more. I'm not trying to make this video long. I'm sorry, y'all. I had to tell y'all, this shit is lit. Okay. Okay. Let me give y'all stills. Ooh, well, y'all see how long it is on me. All right, let me go. Thank y'all. See y'all.